In a day where everybody wants things to be fast and convenient, I don't know why more people aren't talking about Salt Stick, because these are fast-acting electrolyte tablets. So these are chewable. You take 2 tablets, you chew them up, and versus drinking an entire water bottle because you mixed it into 16 or 32 ounces. Plus, these come in resealable bags, so they're perfect for on the go. Think travel kits, party kits, diaper bags, sports bags. Put them in your running pocket. Yes, I add electrolytes to my water bottle, but that also means that it's taking me hours to get all of the electrolytes that I mixed in there versus the 3 seconds it's taking me to chew one of these. So I'll put the link in the video. Definitely grab up this mixed variety pack. It's a really great price here in this link. The tart orange is by far my favorite, but lemon, lime, and mixed berry are also really great.